Windows are essential elements of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. However, over time, they can develop issues that not only compromise their function but also affect the overall comfort of your home. For homeowners in Sugar Land, Texas, it's important to be aware of common window problems and know how to address them before they worsen. In this video, we will explore some of the most frequent window problems in the area and provide helpful tips on how to fix them. Drafty windows. One of the most common window issues is drafts. A drafty window occurs when air leaks through gaps or cracks around the window frame, leading to uncomfortable temperatures indoors. This problem is especially noticeable in the hot Texas summers and cooler winter months. Not only does this affect comfort, but it can also result in higher energy bills, as your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Solution: to fix drafty windows, start by inspecting the window frame for gaps and cracks. Use weather stripping or caulking to seal any openings. If the window frame is severely damaged, it may be necessary to replace the window or the entire frame. Another option is to install a window insulation kit, which can be a temporary solution to prevent drafts during the colder months. Condensation between window panes. Condensation between double-paned windows is a common issue in homes, especially in areas with fluctuating temperatures like Sugar Land. This occurs when the seal between the panes of glass fails, allowing moisture to enter and become trapped. Over time, this can lead to mold growth, reduced insulation efficiency, and a foggy appearance. Solution: if you notice condensation between the panes, the window's seal may be broken, and you will likely need to replace the window unit. Some homeowners attempt to fix this by drilling small holes in the glass to release the trapped moisture, but this is only a temporary solution. The most effective way to handle this problem is to have the affected window replaced with a new, sealed unit. Sticking or hard-to-open windows that are difficult to open or close can be frustrating, especially when you need ventilation. This issue is often caused by dirt, debris, or wear and tear on the window tracks and mechanisms. In the humid climate of Sugar Land, windows may also swell or warp due to moisture exposure, making it hard to operate them smoothly. Solution: to fix sticking windows, first clean the tracks with a brush and mild soap solution to remove any dirt and debris. If the window is still sticking, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and hinges. For wooden windows that have swollen due to moisture, you can try sanding down the edges or adjusting the mechanism to ensure smooth operation. If the issue persists, you may need to replace the window hardware or the entire window. Cracked or broken glass. Whether from a storm, a stray baseball, or simple wear over time, cracked or broken glass is a common issue that needs immediate attention for safety and security reasons. A broken window is not only a potential security risk but can also lead to drafts, water damage, and increased energy costs. Solution: if you have a cracked or broken window, the first step is to replace the glass. Homeowners can attempt to replace the glass themselves, but it is often safer and more effective to call a professional. A professional glazier can replace the glass and reseal the window properly, ensuring that your home remains secure and energy efficient. Noisy windows. Noisy windows are another common issue that Sugar Land homeowners may encounter. Windows can begin to rattle or produce noise when wind or external vibrations cause the frame or glass to move. This can be particularly noticeable during storms or in high traffic areas. Solution: to stop window rattling, check for loose screws or bolts in the window frame. Tighten these to secure the window in place. If the problem persists, you can add insulation or weather stripping around the window to reduce vibrations. In cases where the window frame is damaged or the glass is loose, it may be necessary to replace the window entirely to eliminate the noise. Window frame rotting. Wooden window frames are vulnerable to rot, especially in areas with high humidity like Sugar Land. Water damage can cause the wood to warp and decay, leading to compromised structural integrity and aesthetic damage. Solution: to address rotting window frames, first remove the damaged wood and replace it with a new, treated piece. If the rot is extensive, it may be better to replace the entire frame. To prevent future rot, consider painting or sealing the frame regularly to protect it from moisture. Conclusion: understanding common window problems and knowing how to fix them is essential for maintaining the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you're dealing with drafts, condensation, or broken glass, addressing window issues promptly can save you time and money in the long run. For homeowners in Sugar Land, it's always best to consult with a professional if you're unsure about a repair or replacement. Taking care of your windows ensures that your home remains a safe, comfortable, and energy-efficient place for years to come.